Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant to handle customer inquiries for financial services. So I run a financial service business and want to create an AI assistant which can respond to my customer queries 24/7, providing them details of the services provided by my business. So I'm going to create this AI assistant by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, and my AI assistant is going to respond to my customer queries on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains details of my business. So firstly, in this video we are going to create an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to create this AI assistant for your business, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create an AI assistant for financial services. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the AI assistant which I have already created, and now I am going to show you how you can create your own AI assistant which is going to respond to your customer queries 24/7 while you are busy or unavailable. And this AI assistant is going to respond to the customer queries on the basis of the knowledge base you have provided to it, means there is no chances for getting wrong. So here you can see this is the knowledge base I have created for my financial service business. Now for building this AI assistant we are going to use an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, but before that we are going to test this AI assistant for understanding its working. So now let's move on to my WhatsApp for testing this AI assistant, and here I am landed to my WhatsApp where I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as test number. So here I am going to enter a message, that is hey I need help, and this is the user's first message. Now you might be thinking what is this user's first message, so I am going to answer it while creating our AI assistant. So here I have typed this message, and now I am going to enter this message, and my AI assistant will respond to me within some seconds. And my AI assistant has responded to me with a message, that is I am here to help, please let me know what do you need assistance with. So now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this message, that is what services do you provide, and my AI assistant is going to fetch the data from this knowledge base and provide details to my customers. So here my AI assistant has responded to me with some services provided by this business. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this message, that is please provide me the loan details you provide, and here my AI assistant has responded to me with a message which contains the details of the loan services provided by my business. So here you can see that my AI assistant is responding to me. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question, that is what documents are required for loan application, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with some of the documents required. Now let's move on to the knowledge base and check whether is this the data which we have provided over there or not. So now let's move on to the knowledge base, and here you can see my AI assistant is providing me the same services which I have provided in my knowledge base. So this shows that our AI assistant is responding totally on the basis of the knowledge base. So now I am going to show you how you can create this amazing AI assistant for your own business. So for that you just have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can simply click over this sign in, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving on forward I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owner gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us, and if you wish to join the Pabbly community you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in as I already have an account, and once you finish your sign up you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an AI assistant we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app by clicking on this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp connect and manual token connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number you can simply click over this WhatsApp connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this manual token connect. And if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number, you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, and if you want to learn more about these features, you can find video link in the description given below. Now as we are going to create an AI assistant, we have to click over the AI assistant given on the sidebar, and once you will click over the AI assistant, you will be landed to this AI assistant page where you can see these are the AI assistants I have created. And if you want to create your own AI assistant, you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and here you have to provide the assistant name. So now I'm going to provide a name to my assistant here. So here I have provided it the name FinSecure Solutions. Now we simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and we will be landed to the assistant page where I'm on this AI instruction tab, and here it is asking me to select the instruction type. So here we are getting many instruction types. If you want to select this custom prompt, you can select it and you will be getting this prompt instruction. But here I'm going to select the AI agent as I'm going to create an AI assistant. You can even select customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach, and futuristic fashion advisor. Now let's select our AI agent, and here we are getting some of the instructions. So you can modify these instructions according to you, and afterwards we are getting this AI configuration section where we are getting this option for temperature. So now you might be thinking, what is this temperature doing over here? So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative, and as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as 0.5 as this is the most friendly temperature, and afterwards we are getting the option for selecting the AI to use. So here I am going to select my AI as OpenAI, and afterwards we are getting the option for selecting the model. So here I am going to select my model as GPT-4o mini, and here we are getting this API key section where we have to provide the API key. So for getting the API key, you just have to visit this help desk which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So for getting this API key, we just have to visit this OpenAI API's key page, and you will be landed to this OpenAI API's key page where you have to click over this create new secret key button, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and afterwards you just have to click over this create secret key button and your API key will be created. But I already have my API key, so I have already pasted it, and afterwards we just have to click over this connect button, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says OpenAI key saved successfully, means we have successfully saved our OpenAI key. And afterwards we are getting this AI assistant settings section where we are getting some of the settings. So if you want to provide header message, you just have to enable it and enter the header message over here, but here I am going to disable it, and same for the footer message also, you just have to enable it and enter the footer message, but here I am going to keep these settings disabled. And afterwards we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word stop. So for that you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our one stop keyword is ready. Now as soon as someone will enter a message consisting of this word, our AI assistant will be stopped, but here I am going to keep it as disable. And afterwards we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10. So here you can enter the number from 1 to 10, but here I am going to keep it as disable. And afterwards we are getting this option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message, but you can provide according to you. So with this we are done with our AI instruction tab. Now let's move on to the knowledge source, and here we have to upload the knowledge base which contains details of our business, and you have to remember one point, that your file format will be only accepted that is .txt or .pdf, and if you have any image in .pdf file, then there is a limitation of only 10 pages. But if you don't have any images, then no worries, we don't have any limitation for that. And for downloading your knowledge base in that particular format, you just have to go to the knowledge base, and here on this file section you will be getting this option for downloads, and on this download section we are getting some of the formats on which we want to download our file. So from here you can download your file in either .txt format or .pdf format. So here I have already downloaded my file, so I will be just uploading it by clicking on this choose or drag a file here button, and here we are landed to my download section where you can see this is the file which I am going to upload, that is knowledge base for financial services. And as I have uploaded it, I am getting this pop-up which says file uploaded and processed successfully, and here we are getting this name and the vector ID. So with this we have provided the knowledge base also. Now let's configure our assistant interface, and here we are landed to this tab where we are are getting the first option for header display heading name, and here I'm going to provide my brand name. So here you can see I have entered my brand name, that is FinSecure Solutions, and this heading name is appearing over the preview of your chatbot on your right side as a heading name. And here you can provide the heading name according to you, and afterwards we are getting this option for header display subheading name, and we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, and this subheading name is appearing over the preview of your chatbot on the header section as a subheading name. And afterwards we are getting this option for initial message, and here we are already getting an initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today, and this initial message is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot. And if you want to create your own initial message, you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our initial message is also ready, which can be seen on the preview of your chatbot. Now I am going to remove this initial message, as we can create only 2 initial messages at a time. And afterwards we are getting this option for display the powered by Pabbly label, which is already enabled and it can be seen on the preview of your chatbot. But now let's disable it and see the changes. And as I have disabled it, the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared from the preview of your chatbot, but here I am going to keep it as enable. And afterwards we are getting this option for footer text, so here you can provide the footer text also. And the next we are getting this footer link option, so here you can provide the footer link also. And at last we are getting this option for users first message, and here we are getting this message, that is I need help, but here I am going to convert it as hey I need help. So for that you just have to type it, and here our users first message is ready. So users first message is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user side. So with this we are done with this section also, that is assistant interface. Now let's move on to the styling tab and customize the visual appearance of our WhatsApp chatbot or the AI assistant. And here the first option we are getting is for selecting the theme mode, which is already selected as light. Now let's change it to dark and see the changes. And here you can observe that as I have selected the dark theme mode, the changes can be seen on the preview of your chatbot. And now I am going to keep it as light, and afterwards we are getting this option for assistant shape, which is already selected as circle, but from here you can select assistant shape according to you. Now we are getting some of the properties for which we can change the coloring of the WhatsApp chatbot. Now let's say I want to change this assistant background color, so here I am going to select another color for this, and here you can see the changes in the preview of your chatbot. So you can select coloring for many properties likewise. And afterwards we are getting this option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture and background picture. So if you want to provide any kind of these profiles, you can add it over here. So with this we have successfully created our AI assistant. Now we just have to enable it. So for that we just have to activate this toggle for enabling our AI assistant. Now we simply have to click over this save AI assistant for saving it, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up, that is AI assistant saved successfully, means we have successfully saved it. Now if you want to embed this AI assistant to your business, you just have to click over this embed button and you will be getting the script code. So you can paste the script code to your business for embedding this AI assistant to your business. Now as we are done with our creation of AI assistant, now I am going to show you how you can enable AI assistant for your all contact or for a particular contact list or for a particular chat. Now for enabling AI assistant for your all contact or for a contact list, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see that we are getting this option for inbox settings, which you have to select, and you will be landed to this inbox page where you just have to scroll down, and at last you will be getting this option for enable AI auto replies, which you have to enable. And from here you can select the contact list or your all contact for which you want to enable this AI assistant, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. And this is the way you can enable AI assistant for a particular contact list or your all contacts. Now for enabling this AI assistant for a particular chat, you just have to go to inbox, and as you will land to the inbox page on this particular contact, you can see on the right side we are getting this option for choose AI assistant, which you have to enable. And from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I am going to select this AI assistant which we have recently created, that is FinSecure Solutions. And now we just have to click over the save button and our AI assistant will be enabled successfully. So this is the way you can create an AI assistant and enable it for your all contacts or for a particular chat. So you can also create this AI assistant for your own business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing AI assistants like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubt, you can post it over the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.